In Memberium, we have pages that we can send people to when a page is arrived at and the member doesn't have access. It can also be a page that people are sent to if they're not logged in. So let me show you the kind of conditions that I have here. I say if the member is logged in, they probably shouldn't have arrived at this page, but we'll print something out and we'll tell them some information about what we know about them. So we'll give them their first name and we'll check to see if they have membership access as the Color Guild program. That's the name of a membership level on the site. We print one message if they have access, another one if they don't. And then I've done the exact same thing, except I'm using the has any tag. The Color Guild program uses the tag 1084. So these do exactly the same thing. The additional feature that this shortcode has is that you can use this for any tag, where you can only use this name to specify a tag that specifies a membership. So that's what happens if they are logged in. If they're not logged in, we're giving them a message and then we're showing them a login form, because it could be that it's a valid member, they just forgot to log in yet. So let's go over here to the site, and I'm going to first visit that page using the link, visit that page as someone who is not logged in. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to visit this page, and you'll see that it went down here because the person is not logged in, and it's giving them that message, and then I have the opportunity to log in. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to log in as a user that has the Color Guild membership access. Now this is going to take me to the login dashboard, but what I'm going to do is I'll grab this link again, and now I'm going to add it here, and you'll see we know the person is logged in and we know that they're a Color Guild member. So now I'm going to log out, and I'm going to log in again, but this time I'm going to log in with someone who has a valid set of credentials, but they do not have access as that membership level. So now I'm logged in, and I'm going to go back to that page, and you'll see that now the membership levels are not valid. So they are logged in, but they don't have access to that membership level. So that's a first example. Now let me show you another page I have. Now this is a conditional that what it's doing is it's saying if you are logged in and you're a Color Guild member, I'm going to redirect you to this message number 1 page. If you're logged in and you don't have that membership, I want to take you to this number 2 message page. And if you're not logged in at all, I want to take you to here. So this enables you to create 3 different messages based on the conditions of the member. So now I'm going to log out here, and I'm going to visit that page without being logged in. So I will go grab this link, and you'll see it redirects to number 3, which is what it should have done, because there it is. That's the one that you should go to. So now I'm going to go to the login page for this one, and I'm going to log in as the first user, and this time I'll log in. And if I visit that page, you'll see that it redirects me this time to page number 1. And that's correct, because if you are logged in and you have that membership level, you should be taken to number 1. So let's do this one more time as the user that can log in but doesn't have the Color Guild membership. And you'll see that this time they were redirected to number 2. So these are different tactics that you can use to respond properly when people arrive at pages that they shouldn't arrive. On this page, I didn't define all the error messages or whatever messages you want to share with these people, but we're using the conditional to decide what type of member they are, and then using the Memberium redirect shortcode to take them to the other page where we can take action.